This 2025 Jayco Greyhawk XL 33F is a Super CRV. It is located in Delaware, Ohio, 43015 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Columbus. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2025 Jayco Greyhawk XL 33F is built on a Ford F600 4x4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.